How to set up TikTok Ads Manager and business account in 2025, guys. First things first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the TikTok Ads Manager website, okay, and go ahead and sign yourself up. So there are two options here: either you sign up by email or by phone. Okay, you can come here and click on this to use by phone, and you must verify the received code on your number or in your email. And finally, you'll be asked to, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the check box below and then click on sign up. This will effectively complete the first step. And the next step, guys, is to fill in relevant business information. So now that you're signed in for your TikTok Ads Manager account, it's time to establish your brand identity, okay? Think of it as creating your business profile. Now, this is a crucial step, and the information provided here can have legal implications, okay? So you'll be asked to fill in your location. Just go ahead and select your country location, your time zone, your billing currency, your name of business, of course, and after entering all this information, right, you're going to review it once or twice, and if you're certain, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on register, and your TikTok Ads Manager account has been created. And now we're on to the next step. Now what you want to do is you want to establish your brand presence, okay? What you want to do is you want to go ahead and input your website, right? Provide your website URL in the URL format for the HTTPS. So come here, click on your profile icon, click on account info, and under consideration, you want to click on traffic. So we're going to give the link to our website. And then what you can do is you can also choose your industry, and it's optional to go ahead and do a verification process as well. And then what you can do next is you need to go ahead and add your preferred payment method and billing information, right? So before actually you launch your ad campaign, you need to fuel it. So you must add, therefore, a payment method or opt for the manual payment or automatic payment option. However, the automatic payment option is currently unavailable, so you can go ahead and use the manual one. So this is what you do, guys. To add a payment method, you go ahead and go to the billing or payment section in your dashboard and then click on add a payment method. Okay, then choose either manual or automatic, and then you just choose your payment method. You can choose, for example, between, of course, you have to add your billing address and tax information as well. So you can use a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal. Then just set it as your primary method because now you can add multiple payment methods. Then just enter your payment details such as the card number, expiration date, CVV code, billing address, and then save and confirm your information. Click on submit right here, and it's done. And now the account approval is subject to TikTok's review. Usually takes less than 24 hours. And then once you go through the review, if you're accepted, you just configure the tracking and analytics in TikTok Ads Manager. Okay? Configure this. So this is what you do, guys. You need to install the TikTok Pixel to your website, which is basically a code snippet. This will observe and record the site events triggered by your TikTok ads, right? Go ahead and install that. And then just define your conversation, your conversion events. So what you're going to do is you want to go to the events tab within the Pixel settings to create custom events. So this step lets you track and analyze these actions within your TikTok Ads Manager. Then just go ahead and verify the Pixel install. So TikTok basically provides you a testing tool for Pixel installation. Review it and test your Pixel to ensure that it's actually tracking conversion events accurately. Then go ahead and monitor your ad campaigns regularly, okay? And you can also go ahead and create your new campaign. So this is what you do. Under TikTok Ads Manager, come and click on a campaign. And now you basically need to first define your campaign's objective. You need to specify your mission. So is it either to drive website traffic, app installs, or conversions, either signups or purchases on your website? You need to choose your budget strategy. So TikTok actually offers you two ways to manage your campaign budget, either lifetime and daily budget. So you choose the lifetime budget to spend a specific total amount, on brand awareness. And you choose a daily budget option if you like to gradually reach targeted conversion. So choose wisely between the two options. After all, your budget fuels your campaign. And then you just need to go ahead and build an ad group by choosing your target audience, okay? Based on, for example, things like demographics, geographical location, right? Demographics basically age, gender, language, and can pick other interests and behaviors. You can also prioritize past interactions to find the right audience. And then you want to go ahead and choose where you want to place your ads. So TikTok can place your ads on TikTok itself or its partner news feed platform. So if you're unsure, you can also go ahead and opt for automatic placement to give TikTok a free hand, and this is the best. Otherwise, you can choose the manual placement option to control, the ad placement, okay? And then you just go ahead and launch a new ad. So come here and click on create new campaign, and then, for example, choose product sales, and then maybe for TikTok shop, right? That is your source. You can come here and click on continue. So you just choose an eye-catching video or image as an ad creative. The shorter the video, the better it performs. Just follow its recommended ad specs for a good display. Upload the ad, and then you can go ahead and monitor the performance and make adjustments accordingly. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.